You know, the importance of a goal is something planners like you always emphasize on. And I think when you come and see the kind of volatility we've seen or the sharp fall that we've seen, it sometimes brings you back to the basic starting point of your investing journey, that what was the goal for which you started investing? So what is the importance of a goal? Because if somebody had, say, for example, was investing for their retirement, and which is still 15 years away, then should the kind of sharp fall we've seen, which we know will over a period of time, get covered adjusted, should that be worrying a person? So what is the importance of a goal and sticking to that when you start investing, if you could explain that?
I think goal-based planning is very important and critical also when you do a bigger picture of yourself. Very simply put, an investor may come and tell you that my investments are doing very well, and I'm getting good returns, so I think all my goals will be met. That's a statement you tend to hear everywhere, in many of the cases. But that is not the right way to put it across, because we don't know whether the amount your investments may be doing well, okay? That's the first point. Second, but the amount which I'm saving, is it enough to take care of my future goals, my aspirations? Because that maybe give me need to save much more than the amount I'm saving. My investments may be doing well, which makes me believe that I'm able to achieve all my goals. But do I need to push myself to save more, basis which I will earn more on my assets? Is something a goal-based planning can lead you to. So for every goal, you need to decide that how much amount I need to save, so that when the goal actually comes on your face, when it comes for maturity, you have the required amount. Second, you also need to determine, based on the goal you have, as you mentioned retirement, and it's 15 years down the line, then for that goal, which asset class will suit me well? If I'm buying only a debt-based asset class for a goal which is 15 years away, that's not true to the perspective. And I may be doing well because that goal return on that asset class will generate, let's say, 8%. But that's matching my inflation. But it's a 15-year away and I can take risk, then surely equity is the way forward. Because I need to make sure I beat the inflation, get an inflation adjusted return on my goal of retirement, which otherwise is 15 years away. But something which is 3 years away and I'm putting my money into an equity asset class defies the perspective. That helps you to decide which goal makes you go for which asset class and which investment, which will help you to achieve when the number actually comes on you. So that's why the importance of goal is critical when you decide the asset classes, the strategies, and return only doesn't matter. It's only a byproduct over the asset class you pick.